Hello viewers, a lot of users actually want to know about the battery life of iPad 10th generation after iPadOS 18.3. Actually, I have updated my iPad 10th generation 2 days back and I am getting great battery life. I thought that the battery life will be decreased, but I am wrong. After iPadOS 18.2.1, I am getting more battery life. So if you want to update to the latest version, you can do that. And also many users want to know about the screen flickering issue. Actually, there is no screen flickering in this update, but it is not sure whether your iPad will not get screen flickering. So before updating to the latest version, you should be aware about this fact that if your iPad is out of warranty, in that case you may have to suffer after iPad OS 18.3. Some users want to know about the customization features in notification panel, but I don't find any extra notification features in this notification panel. These features were previously available, so you will not get anything new. One customization feature is there. If you click on the settings, you can see that the color of the icon at the left side has been changed, as I have implemented this customized feature and I have selected dark mode, as a result of which everything is in dark mode, as you can see here. And if I turn on the dark mode, in that case this will look like this. So it is actually a fresh feeling while using iPad 10th generation or any other iPad after iPadOS 18.3. Many users want to know about the wallpaper section. So if I click on wallpaper and if I click on add new wallpaper, I can see that Unity Rhythm wallpaper is here. You can use this. So this is a new addition with this iPad OS 18.3. So I will install, or I will select this wallpaper, and this looks like this. So it gives a fresh feeling while using this wallpaper in home screen as well as in lock screen. Actually, there are many Unity Rhythm wallpaper. You can use them in various colors, as you can see here, like this one. Okay, so there are many colors in this Unity wallpaper. Now I want to select this. So these are some changes that I encountered in iPadOS 18.3, and if you are skeptical about the battery life, don't hesitate to update, because battery life will be very good. And Apple has improved the softwares and also the bugs. So let me know in the comment section below if you have already updated to the latest version of iPadOS 18.3 or not. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.